What's up, guys? My name is Sam, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to receive your Hamster Kombat token airdrop into your Binance wallet. At the same time, if you follow the process, this process also applies to other exchanges in the world. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Right, so if you want to claim your airdrop, you can come right to this section that says airdrop. You tap on it, and then you're going to be seeing the different exchanges that Hamster Kombat is going to be listed on by September 26th. As you can see, the countdown is 12 days from today. So like I said, I'm going to be showing you how to receive your airdrop, you claim it into your Binance exchange. So if you don't have a Binance account, so please, you have to go create an account. As you can see, it says Binance Exchange KYC needed. That means know your customer. You have to have verified your identity on Binance before you can use this option as a claim method. If not, there is no way you'll be able to claim to Binance. So if you don't have an account with Binance, make sure to create one and then verify your KYC before you use this claim option. So you can click on Binance Exchange, and then as you can see, if you do not have an account, you can you tap on this link right here to create an account with Binance. So if you already have an account and you want to claim your airdrop into Binance, so you can tap on yes, I have an account. So you tap on this link, and as you can see here, we have the Hamster deposit address, and we have the Hamster memo. So it is important that you listen and you follow this instruction carefully. If you make any mistakes, there is a tendency your assets will get lost, and nobody's going to be liable for that. So please, like I said, you follow instruction properly from now. So as you can see, this deposit address. So now we head over to our Binance app. So you see, you open your Binance app. Once you open your Binance app, then you come to this section that says add funds. You can click on it. You can also go to your wallet section here, and you see this option that says deposit. You can tap on deposit or add funds. So when you tap on that, so it will take you to this option here. You search for coin, so you tap on HM. So it's going to bring out Hamster Kombat. So you see HMSTR. So confirm the name is Hamster Kombat. Then you tap on it. Then as you can see, it says choose network. So since Hamster Kombat is going to be launched on the Ton Coin blockchain, the Ton blockchain, so you can click on this. So as you can see, important, both memo and an address are required to successfully deposit your Hamster to Binance. So make sure you copy both the memo and the address, not just copy the memo and leave the address, or you copy the address and you leave the memo, and you don't make mistakes. Don't include any letters, numbers, or symbols in any of this. So you have to copy the exact deposit address and the memo. So you click on OK, and then you see this is your deposit address, while this is your memo. So I'm going to be copying the address first. So you can tap on this icon here, the small icon. Once you tap on it, it is copied. As you can see, wallet address copied. Then you head over back to Telegram, where you have your Hamster Kombat app opened. So as you can see in this tab that says Hamster deposit address, you tap on that, and then you paste the wallet deposit address, the deposit address you copied earlier. You paste it. Ensure not to include anything. Do not include any letters whatsoever in the deposit address, or else your assets would be lost. So now for the memo, let's head over back to Binance to copy a memo. So it's important. Here's the memo. As you can see, this small icon here, you can tap it to copy automatically. You see copy successfully. So we head over back to Hamster Kombat, and in this memo section, we're going to be pasting our memo. So once you paste the memo, ensure that those numbers match. So you can head over back to confirm that the numbers match and then the deposit address match. So once you confirm that, as you can see here, the off-chain deposit starts on September 13th for Binance. On September 21, off-chain deposit is going to end. So deposit is open between now and 21st of this month, while confirmations or declines are going to be announced by 24 by 6 p.m. UTC. So it's important that you note this date. So if your Hamster Kombat token will be deposited into your Binance account, you're going to get a confirmation by that time. But if it's going to decline, then you can like deposit it into other exchanges or on-chain wallets. So like I said, once you have copied your deposit address and the memo and you've confirmed it, you can now tap save and choose. Once you click on that, then it's going to be saved. All other options will be excluded. You'll not be able to change it until either Binance accept or decline on the 24th. So it's important you decide what exchange you're gonna be using for deposit. So the same process works for Bybit. You go to Bybit. If you don't have an account, like I said, you're going to have to create a Bybit account. But if you have an account, you just head over to Bybit, you click on deposit. Once you tap on deposit, you come to this, you tap on deposit crypto. And as you can see, you come to this search option here, then you tap on HM. So it's going to bring Hamster, as you can see, Hamster Kombat. So you tap on that and then you select the network, the chain type, Ton. Once you do that, as you can see, to ensure a seamless deposit experience, please ensure that you use both the Hamster deposit address and Hamster deposit memo. So you click on OK. So we have what's here. We have our wallet address. So you can tap on copy. Then you come back here, you tap on Bybit exchange, ensure KYC has been verified before you use this deposit option. Click on the exchange. If you have an account, you click on yes, I have it. If you don't have an account, you create one using this link. Yes, I have it. And then here, Bybit requires you use your Bybit UID. So first of all, we paste the deposit address. And then we come over to memo. Can come back here to copy your memo. Here's our memo, as you can see. So you click on copy the memo, and then you come back here to paste our memo, as you can see. And then Bybit UID. So that's going to be your ID number. So you can come here to get your Bybit UID. So you go back to the home page. As you can see here on the top left corner, tap on that and this is your UID. Here's my UID, as you can see. So you copy the UID and then you come back here and paste it in this UID, Bybit UID section. And once you do that, tap on save and choose. So once you do that, it means that your Hamster Kombat token would automatically be deposited into your Bybit exchange account, and you can confirm the deposit on the after the day it has been deposited. Here in your asset section, you come to assets and you're going to be seeing your assets. So you see Hamster Kombat here to be added. Once it has been deposited into your account, confirmed, it's going to be added into the list of your assets. And then once it is listed, it's going to be opened for trading. So I'm going to be making a video on how you can do what you can sell your Hamster Kombat token and get cash into your bank account directly. So I'm going to be showing you the process step by step on how to get that done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have questions, if you have concerns, queries, whatever it is, please drop them into the comment section. Whatever video you want me to make next, as you can see, this channel is new. I would want you to recommend in the comment section, and we're going to work on that. So please, if you're new, subscribe, turn on the bell icon, like, share with your friend, and enjoy your day. Bye.